What's up, guys? I'm back on my channel real quick just to do a quick little unboxing of this Ford Performance, Ford Performance branded battery tender slash charger. Those that know me know last time I bought my car last year. This time I live in Michigan, so it gets cold in the wintertime. I don't drive my car in the winter or rain or any other crazy weather because I have this baby right here to drive in that weather. It takes all my abuse, and I love my truck. But here's Ruby back here, my 5.0 S550. We're gonna unbox this together because I've never had one of these, and I don't feel like undoing my battery this year every time and then putting it back every time. I just want to kind of put this on there, leave it, and kind of forget it until springtime. So let's go ahead and do this unboxing real quick. I'm gonna do this on the back of the truck because up here at the storage unit, I don't have anywhere to sit this. All right, so here we go. We're gonna do this on the back of the truck real quick. Like I said, I don't have anywhere to put my stuff. I gotta get me a table. Let's open this up. Bought this off of eBay from a Ford dealership down south. I will link it in the description. I paid like $118 for this. Okay, so here's the actual charger tender. Got some cables or some adapters. Looks like a nice little pouch to put it in because I keep everything in its pouches, in its bags when I'm not using it. Probably throw it in the trunk underneath the carpet where the air compressor is. I'll probably put it there. Got some instructions. This is the clamp, positive and negative. It looks like it's already set up for what I need. So as you know, I don't have I have a garage at my house, but I don't really like my car to be at my house. I got trust issues with people, and just my vehicle just sitting around like all winter. It's just a magnet for people just to try it. So I use this storage facility as where I got all my extra stuff I don't need at my house, and then it's where my car lives, where Ruby lives. All right, let's check this out. So this is the actual adapter that I'm gonna need. Plugs in right here. This is the unit itself. The question is, how long is this cord though? Doesn't look to be very long. It's fine. I got a 50-foot extension cord. Shall I need it? Standard plug, non-grounded. Okay, so this end goes into the wall, as we see. This is this. This end is the end that's gonna go on here. One quick disconnect like this. So this thing is IP61, dust and water resistant. I think it's 61. You think I would have known this before I did this video, but we have these at work. I work for Ford. I build a F-150 Lightning for those that don't know. So we do have these at work. For those that have or can afford a Ford GT, you can't use this particular one. This is the one for regular batteries or regular cars. The other one is a lithium ion charger. It's a little different. So let's go ahead and plug this into the car. As you can see, this is the device. It's real nice. It's Ford branded. These are the part numbers. It's probably backwards, but I'll read it. It's M-10300FP. This is the MXS 5.0 Ford Performance battery charger slash battery maintainer or tender. You can use this on the 12 volt batteries, AGM and gel type batteries. So all the standard batteries that we may have here on regular vehicles, such as my truck, the 5.0, or any regular vehicle except the Ford GT, which uses a lithium ion. Got a 15 amp fuse that lives inside of here. You know what's in here. Come on out. Can't get this off. Yep, 15 amp fuse. So that lives. All right, let's go ahead and put this on the car. So I'm gonna switch my camera real quick. We'll be right back after these messages. All right, so here we go. Got the car in the unit. My unit is supposed to have a plug right here, but it does not work. It would be nice if it did, and I could just run it right to the car, but no, it doesn't work. So I had to run up to Ace Hardware, on my local hardware store, and I had to grab an adapter up there so that I can plug a plug into that light socket and then plug the light back in. Put the cover back on the car, run the cord down, and then for our beautiful 5.0s, our beautiful Mustangs, period, the battery is located under the hood, passenger side, under this fantastic freaking cover. And if you're like me with your 5.0, you removed the prop rod and installed these beautiful things. So with these, I had to put a hole in my battery cover, and I forgot to come back and cut this off. You need to cut a space here so that you can still take the battery cover off with that in there. I'll do that later. It's another video. Really easy. Get a hacksaw, just cut a slit in it, take the thing out. So here's our battery cables for the charger. The charger is located over there. And it's in an off state. So you have different modes to put this in. So every time you hit a mode, you got a small battery, or like a motorcycle or ATV type. I have the car for a normal battery, got AGM for like an Optima battery or any other fancy batteries, and then recondition. So this thing has an 8-step process. Charge all the way to maintain, or the float is actually number 7, I think. That's float. So what that'll do, after 10 days, the cycle will start over if the voltage drops, and it'll keep the battery at its optimal charge condition for me to start this car in late April, early May. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead, lift this up, negative and positive. And for those that don't know, this thing will not spark. It's made not to spark. So yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna hook this up. I'm gonna pull this back. I do kind of hate that these cords are short, but it's fine. It'll work. I'll come up with something, a better option a little later. Come on, get on there. So we're doing this all at the same time here. Everybody's figuring this out and learning this at the same time. Figure out how I want to do this and hold this camera at the same time. It's kind of hard. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm about to hook this up, and I'm about to come back and I'm about to show you this. All right, sorry about that. So, I just don't have 8 arms like an octopus. So, got everything hooked up. I think I just heard, that's good. So I got my negative and my positive hooked up into the battery. And if you look over here, you see everything is good. The power light is on. It's on step 3 into getting this charged all the way up, and it's gonna start reconditioning. It's gonna float after a while, and this thing is just a set it and forget it type of a deal. So we're gonna hook it up and we'll just leave it, and she'll be like this until April. But knowing me, it's gonna be in the 70s tomorrow, 60s tomorrow, maybe even 50s tomorrow. I don't know, but I do know I got these stupid summer tires on here. I hate these Pirellis. But these are summer tires. They're no good under 45 degrees. They are like brakes, no traction. So to keep everything safe and to keep my car not wrapped around a tree or a pole or anything, you're not going to go under 45. But I'm going to get some all-season high-performance tires on here next spring or next summer, so that I don't have to worry about 50 degrees and 40 degrees. But tomorrow, I'll probably have it out tomorrow. It's supposed to be nice. You see, it's clear. So that's all it is. Hook it up just like a regular battery charger and just let it go. It's going to do its own thing, and it'll keep this battery charged throughout the whole winter. So that's it for me. You got any questions, hit me up in the comments, let me know. But that's it. $118. Hook it up to the car, leave it, and that's it from Detroit. Me and Ruby, we're out. See you later.